Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 480. Today we are going to have the dirt to start the gardening be delivered. So I'm going to get a tarp and I'm going to set it up right here. And then we're just going to start moving them into the bed. And that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get a tarp, get myself ready, and then wait for the truck to come. Well, I didn't get a chance to get the tarp. So I'm going to move all of these vehicles because the truck is parked out there. So we can then put the dirt right here because I can't make the guy wait for me to go to the store and get the tarp. So I'm going to move these vehicles out of the way so that we can then put the dirt right here. I guess I'll just move it from there and start spreading it through all of the beds, including this one here too. So that's where he's going to dump it. Oh boy. Oh, it's not a lot. Wait, yeah, there is more. Okay. Well, still, it's not a whole lot. I thought it would be a lot more. All right, fair enough. Now I gotta spread all of that into the yard. Wow, that's loud. Well, it is done. So now it is 8:45 and it is time to work. So time to start spreading all of that into all of these raised beds that I made, and we're going to start planting the garden. We're going to start working on it today. There he goes. Time to work.